Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to cash out Western Union online. So the very first thing is that you can cash out by using bank account deposit. Have the money transferred directly to your bank account. Depending on your location, you can receive funds in your mobile wallet, and there's also cash pickup. Right, so for example, you can see here if you want to pick up cash, just go and click on pick up cash here on this official website of Western Union, and you will get to such location where cash pickup is available. Right, so here you have to just enter your 10 answer one question about your transfer on the app to get started. Go to participating Western Union agent location, and in this way you can just find it. Right now, set up your online cash out. To do this, it's really easy. You have to just go and log in into your Western Union here, access your account on the Western Union website or app, choose whether you want the money deposited into your bank account or sent to a mobile wallet, enter necessary information such as your bank account number on or mobile wallet details. Now, after that, you can complete the transaction, confirm the transaction, ensure you have all this information is accurate, share the money transfer control number, and thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.